Good day, Doc Louie. I am Rebecca Arizana and this is my code in APC2 lab. Model declaration. That model small specifies the memory model small means code and data fit within 64 KB segment. Stack segment. That stack 100H allocates 256 bytes 0 times 100 for the stack. Data segment. That data contains initialized data. Code segment. That code contains the code instruction. Data segment count is defined as a word 16-bit and initialized to 1999. Code segment main proc marks the beginning of the main procedure. Mob AX at data loads the address of data segment into AX. Mob DXS AX moves the value in AX to the data segment register DS, setting up the data segment. Loop initialization. Mob CX 52 initialize CX with 52 the number of iteration needed to count from 1999 to 2050 inclusive. Print loop is the start of the loop for printing number. Mob AX count load the current value of count into AX. Call print number. Call the print number procedure to print the value in AX. Add count 1 increase the value of count by 1. Formatting with spaces. Mob BX5 load BX with 5. XOR DX. DX clear DX to ensure no remainder is carried over. DBX divide AX by BX. The quotient is stored in AX, the remainder is stored in BX. CMPDL 0 compares the remainder DL with 0. JNX skip space jump to skip space if the remainder is not 0, meaning count is not a multiple of 5. CMP CX 52 check if CX equals 52, which would mean it's the last iteration. JE last iteration jump to last iteration if CX X is 52. Jumps to skip space to avoid printing a space. Last iteration label marks the end of counting. It jumps to end printing to terminate the program. Skip space label marks where space character should be printed. Mob DL loads the space character into DL. Skip space label marks where a space character should be printed. AH 02H set AH to 02H the DOS service for printing a character. INT 21H calls DOS interrupt 21H to print the character in DL. Print loop continue labels continue the loop. Loop print loop decrement Cx, the jump to print loop if Cx is not 0. Program termination. End printing label marks the end of the printing loop. Mob AH for CH, set up AH to for CH, the DOS service for programming termination. INT21H calls DOS interrupt 21H to terminate the program. Print number procedure. Print number proc marks the beginning of the print number procedure. Push instruction save the current register values onto the stack to preserve their state. Mob BX 10, set BX to 10, the base for decimal numbers. Mob CX number loop. Number loop is the start of the loop for converting a number to a string. XOR DX, DX clear DX. BX divide AX by BX 10. The quotient is stored in AX and the remainder in DX. Add DL0 converts the remainder to its ASCII character. INCCX increments the character count. Text AX, AX check if AX is 0, no more digit. JNZ number loop, jump back to number loop if AX is not 0. Loop is the start of the loop for printing characters. XOR DX, DX clear DX. BIBBX divides AX. Ulit! Print loop is the start of the loop for printing characters. POP-DX retrieves the next character to print from the stack. Move a 02H, set AH to 02H, the DOS service for printing a character. INT21H call DOS interrupt 21H to print the character in DL. Loop print loop decrement CX and jump back to print loop if CX is not 0. The POP instruction restore the original register values. Return from the print number procedure. Print number end P marks the end of the print number procedure. End of program and main marks the end of the program. Ito naman po kung paano gumagana po yung code. Ayun po, lumabas po yung file kong Beka ASM. Ayan po, lumabas na po siya.